Hello all, welcome to part 23 of JavaScript for Beginners series. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate about strings. So let's get started. Till the previous sessions, we were already using the strings, but in this session, I am going to cover strings in a detailed manner. So let's get started. First of all, we'll see how to create the strings in JavaScript. We can create the strings in JavaScript either using the single quotes or double quotes. Okay, you can use any of these methods, guys. Okay, single quotes or double quotes. Now let me switch to the Visual Studio Code IDE where I am going to create a sample JavaScript file, say demo.js. And in this JavaScript file, I'll create a string as let a is equal to the single quotes. I'll give my name, guys. Say Arun Motu. Okay. We can create the strings like this also by surrounding the text with the single quotes. Okay, this is also string, guys. Now let me print the string console.log of a. Okay, now let me run this code. You see the string text will be printed in the output. So node demo.js. I'm running this JavaScript file using the node.js. So you see whatever the string text that I have assigned to this particular variable that got printed here, guys. Similarly, we can assign the string text to this particular variable by surrounding that using double quotes. Okay, using double quotes also we can create the strings like this. Okay, strings can be provided in the single quotes or double quotes, anything is fine. Now let me clear this out. Okay guys, that was a mistake. Let me clear it properly. Now said node demo.js. Fine, you see still Arun Motori got printed. Now guys, now we understood how to create the strings in JavaScript either using the single quotes or double quotes. We can create the strings. The next thing is finding the length of the string. Okay, finding the length of the string. So if I say a dot length, okay, if I say a dot length, it will give you the total size of this string. So if I count manually, guys, starting from a 1, 2, 3, 4, including spaces, we have to count, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total 12 will be printed. Okay, 12 will be the size or length of the string, guys. Using this length, we can find the size of the string. So now I'll just clear it out and say no demo.js. You'll get the 12 as the size of the string. Fine. Now next thing is how to use escape characters inside the string. Sometimes what happens is here you see if I try to provide double quote here, guys. Okay, I want to print double quote. Let's say I want to print double quote here, but what's happening? The moment I provide or enter double quote inside this particular string, okay, from here to here it is treating as a string and this part is giving an error. The problem is we cannot, because this particular string text is surrounded by double quotes, right? That's the problem. Okay, this particular entire string text is surrounded by double quotes and in between that cannot provide double quotes. That's the problem. If you provide double quotes, the things will change, right? From here to here it will be considered as a string. The remaining is giving an error. So to overcome that, guys, there are something like escape characters, guys. So what we have to do is if you still want to print the double quote between this Arun Motori, then just provide a backslash here. Okay, backslash double quote. You see it will be considered as a double quote for print case. Okay, now the entire thing is treated as a string and in between that we are printing a double quote by using this backslash double quote thing. Now let me run this node demo.js. Okay, sorry, I'm printing the length here. I'll remove the length here so that you can see the exact print text getting printed. If I remove the length, node demo.js, you see Arun double quote got printed. Similarly, guys, sometimes the string text will be surrounded by single quotes. Okay, single quotes. Now you want to use single quote in between. Again, that is a problem. Okay, you cannot print a single quote here because from here to here it will be treated as a string and remaining you are getting an error. The same solution, guys, just provide a backslash. So this is also a escape character, guys. One of the escape character we can use to print the single quote in between the string text. So node demo.js. Okay, you see Arun single quote module. So next thing, let's say there may be some situations where you want to print a backslash itself. Then use double backslash. This will print the backslash in the string. Node demo.js. You see the backslash got printed here. Now, what I want to do now is, so I'll say Arun slash and Motori. That means first Arun will be printed, guys, and in the next line Motori will be printed. Okay, the first line Arun will be printed, in the next line Motori will be printed. Okay, it will take you to the new line. When the \n is appeared in the string, it will take the control to the new line, guys. Okay, so that's what is a /n means /new line. Okay, /n means /new line. So it will take to the new line. So when I run this code, node demo dot js, you see Arun Motori is getting printed in the new line. Similarly, we have /t, guys. T means tab space. Okay, when you press tab, what will happen, guys? When you press tab, it will be like this, right? The same thing will happen, guys. The output. So Arun and tab space will be pressed and Motori. Okay, you'll have a lot of space between Arun and Motori, guys. Just see that node demo dot js. You see, lot of space between Arun and Motori because of the /t. So these are the several escape characters we generally use inside a string, guys. But there are many others, but I'm not explaining everything, guys. This will be enough for now. Okay. And apart from these escape characters and finding the length of the string and different ways of creating the string, there are something known as string functions, guys. Okay, we can use with the strings. There are a lot of operations we can perform on the strings using the string functions, predefined functions, guys. These are not user-defined functions. These are predefined functions of the string. So let's start using one by one, guys. Okay, let's start using. So I'll start with the very basic predefined functions of the strings. That is, you see, if you clearly observe this particular string text, okay, if you clearly observe this particular string text, so first character is in capital letter and remaining are in smaller, and again the first letter of the second word is also in capital letter and remaining are in lowercase. But I want to uh, print this particular string text in complete lowercase. I don't want the capital letters anywhere in this string. So for that, guys, what we can do is I can say console.log of a dot to lowercase. There is a predefined function known as to lowercase. This to lowercase function will convert the entire string into complete lowercase. Okay, complete lowercase. Clear this out and say node demo dot js. Okay, see, complete lowercase. Node demo dot js, complete lowercase. Now similarly, you can convert this string into entire uppercase. Okay, entire uppercase, that is a dot to uppercase, Okay, this will convert the string into entire uppercase. Clear? Node demo dot js, complete uppercase. This is complete uppercase. Those are the very basic functions, guys. And similarly, we have other functions like I can say a dot caret of 1. I will say, okay, I have to provide the index value 1. Okay, caret index 1 means at the index 1, what character is there that will be retrieved. You see, 0, 1. At the index 1, we have R. So R will be retrieved and printed in the output, guys. We are retrieving a particular character in the given string text at a particular specified index. Okay, that's what is happening here using the caret function. Demo.js. You see, R got retrieved and printed. Similarly, we have concat, guys. Okay, I'll explain more about concat here. So what I will do here is I will just put Arun here. I'm only storing the string text as Arun into this variable a, and here I'm saying console.log of a. Okay, plus I'll give some space, guys. I'll give some space here. A Arun space. I'll say like this we can write, but here we have to use concat, right? So a dot concat we have. I will say a dot concat of. I'll just append that with space, guys. Okay, so I'll append Arun with some space, concating space. So it will merge, guys. Okay, it will merge Arun with some space. After that, I can still continue concat again. This time I'll give Motori. Okay, again say dot concat. Again I'll give space, and then dot concat of, okay, is a software testing trainer, let's say. Okay, I'm just writing all this, the final words. Okay, so now if I run this, guys, all the text Arun will be concatenated with this space. After Arun space will be concatenated with Arun space Motori, and Arun space Motori will be concatenated with this space again, and it will be concatenated with the is a software. So total string will be printed, guys. Okay, total, that is Arun Motori is a software testing trainer will be printed in the output with proper spaces. Okay, so I'll say clear and say no demo dot js. You see, Arun Motori is a software testing trainer. Okay, concat, and I'll replace this concat with okay, I will replace this concat with plus operator. Okay, plus, here plus stands for concatenation, guys. Okay, it is short form. I'll remove all the concat It is a short form, guys. Okay, instead of either you can use concat function or you can use this plus, guys. Anything is fine. Okay, either you can use plus or concat. Anything is fine, guys. Whatever you feel. So this also will work in the same fashion. So either you can use concat or plus symbol. The Arun Motor is a software testing trainer. Clear. Okay. Then we have replace, guys. Okay. Then we have replace. I'll say welcome Arun. Okay. I'll say welcome Arun. I'll say a dot replace of. Okay. I want to replace welcome with bye. Okay. I want to replace welcome text in the above string text with bye text. Okay. I have to provide this welcome and bye here. Welcome in this particular string text will be replaced with bye now. So now clear and say node demo dot JS. We'll see by Arun got printed. Okay, this is how it works. Now we have few more functions, guys. We have few more functions. Substring is another function, guys. I'll be using the substring function now. A dot. Okay, either you can use substring or slice, guys. Anything, both will work in the same fashion. Guys. Either substring or slice, anything you can use in the same fashion. A dot substring. I'll start using the substring, guys. A dot substring of you want to take a portion of this string, guys. Okay, you want to take a portion of this string. So I want to start from the let's say here I'll give my name, guys. Otherwise, okay, I'll give my name here, Arun Motori. I'll take a substring out of this entire Arun Motori. Say I want to take only this run, guys. RUN. I want to take a substring RUN as a substring. Okay. So R is starting where, guys? What is the index position? 0, 1. So you have to start with 1, comma. Okay. And starting from the till where you want, till RUN you want. Okay. What is the position of the N? You have to start counting from 1, guys. Okay. First one is an index, guys, but second value that you are going to give is not an index. It's the position. Position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4. Just give the position 4 here. So starting from the index 1 to position 4, that is nothing but RUN, guys. Okay. Now clear this out and say node demo dot JS. You'll get RUN. Same thing, guys. Just replace the substring with slice. You'll get the same output. Okay. Node demo dot JS. You'll get the same run. Okay. Either substring or slice will work in the same fashion. And sometimes, guys, you can only give the index value. Okay. You don't have to give the position. That means position will be taken as the entire string text. Okay. Starting from the index 1 to at the end, till the end. Okay. If you don't provide anything, till the end it will take. That means here starting index 1 means run motori will come. Okay. So clear node demo dot js, you see run motori will come. And similarly, substring also with the same fashion it will work. Is you give substring of 1 also the same thing, starting with the index 1 till the remaining of the string. So here clear it out and say no demo dot js, you see run motor will come. Okay. So then we have split and trim, guys. The remaining things are split and trim. I'll first go with the trim thing. Okay. I'll just add some leading and trailing spaces in this particular string text. Okay. A lot of leading and trailing spaces I'll add. And now when I say a dot, okay, when I print a, guys, otherwise I'll simply print a, guys. So when I print a, guys, this leading and trailing spaces will be considered, guys. Okay. You will see in action here. In the output, you see the printed string text will contain the leading and trailing spaces. Okay. So when I print that demo.js, when I run this code, you see leading space is there. At same time, trailing space is also there. Okay. Trailing spaces are also there. So we can find the length of this. Okay. You can find the length also. It will be more length. It's not overall Arun motor length is 12, but because of this leading and trailing spaces, we'll get a bigger length also. Okay. Clear node demo dot. Yes, you see you got 34, guys. But what if I will simply trim this out? Okay. I'll simply say trim, guys. Okay. The moment I use this trim function here, it will remove the leading spaces and also the trailing spaces. Okay. Unnecessary spaces will be removed before ending of the string text. But in between spaces will not be removed, guys. Only the leading spaces and trailing spaces will be removed. Okay. Not the between spaces. Now clear and say no demo dot JS. And you can find the length also, guys, to confirm whether it's sticking to 12 or not. Okay, so you will get the output as 12 now. The length of the string is 12. So that is how, guys, the trim function will work. And finally, we have one more function, that is split function, which is also regularly used. I'll remove this leading and trailing spaces, guys. So here I'll say is a software testing trainer. I'm just giving a lot of words here. That's fine. So I'm giving with an intention, guys. Okay, I will be using a dot split function, guys, and I want to split this single string text into multiple strings, guys. Okay, multiple things. So for splitting, guys, what parameter I have to use here? There are a lot of words which are separated by spaces, right? Space 1, space 2, space 3, space 4. 5, 6. Okay, I'll just give this double quotes here and give space here. It will split this entire string text into multiple words, guys. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Using because of the space, guys. Okay, wherever the space will occur, it will split. Okay, that means this split function is going to return you an array, guys. Okay, you see string array, it's returning. Okay, it's returning you the string array, guys. So what I have to do is I'll say let b is equal to, here b is nothing but an array, guys. Okay, which contain all the words which are splitted using this space. Wherever the space comes, it will split. That means if I say console.log of, okay, since b is an array, I can use the index as 0. When I say b of 0, what will be printed, guys? Arun will be printed. Okay, Arun will go to b of 0, motor will be going to b of 1, ease will go into b of 1, b of 2. Here b of 3 will be a, b of 4 will be software, b of 5 will be testing, and b of 6 will be trainer, guys, like that. Okay, so hope you are able to understand. So I'll print a few things so that you can understand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now run this. Clear. Node demo.js. You see, all the things got printed here, guys, properly. Let's go here. Arun Motori is a software testing trainer, properly printed. Okay. Instead, we can use, since it is an array, guys, we can use for off loop, as you already know. For, okay, e of b. Okay, for e of b, I'll simply print console.log of b. Okay, console. Sorry, e, guys. Okay, e. I have to provide this e, guys. Okay, array element. I'm just treating e as array element representation. That's okay. You can give any value there. That's okay. So clear. And no demo dot yes, still you will get the same out. Okay, still you will get the same output. So sometimes what happens is the string maybe like this, guys. For example, if I give hyphen here and somewhere here also I'll give hyphen. Okay, but here instead of double quotes, if I use, instead of space here, guys, if I use hyphen as a separator, then what will happen? This will be separated 3 times, guys. Up to here, one thing. Okay, second element of the array, third element of the array. This particular single string will be splitted 3 times only because of the hyphen is only mentioned 2 times. Let's see what will happen. Let's clear this out and say node demo.js. Okay, till Arun Motori, one thing. Then ease a software is another thing, and testing trend is another thing. Okay, like this, guys. Hope you are able to understand split now. How to use split function, predefined function of the strings in JavaScript. So these are the different predefined functions that we can use with strings in JavaScript, guys. That's all about this session, guys. See you in the next video session. Thank you. Bye.